In this video, uh, we have three columns: serial number, name, and Aadhaar number. And suppose we want to separate these numbers with dash. Like in Aadhaar number, these were separated with a dash after every 4 digits. So same thing we want to apply in this case. To do that, what we have to do is either press Ctrl 1 or select this range of cells and right click and click on format cells. Here we have different categories of different formats, so we click on custom and here we have to write 4 zeros, then dash, then 4 zeros, then dash, then 4 zeros. In this way, here we had separated after every 4 digits we had inserted a dash symbol. Then click on OK. Now you can see that after every 4 digit a dash is inserted. So in this way we can separate numbers as per the format we had set. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel, please. Thank you.